The Antarctic midge is a flightless insect less than 1 centimeter long, and it's the largest native land animal of Antarctica, and it spends about 9 months of the year frozen solid. In Antarctica, insects are incredibly uncommon. There's 1 million insect species on Earth, but only 3 that are found in Antarctica, making it extremely difficult for insects to survive there. Midges live for just about a month in total, but only a small portion of that time are they adults and able to fly. Small rice-shaped larvae, known as midges, hatch from their eggs, and then they begin to consume bacteria, algae, and nitrogen-rich penguin waste in the Antarctic ecosystem. They're not preyed upon by any other species, and research has not discovered any pathogens that could endanger their lives. For 40 million years, the midge has had ample time to hone its means of survival. It survives the freezing winters by freezing. Overwintering larvae lose up to about 70% of their body fluids to protect internal tissue from being damaged by ice crystals. For 2 winters, Antarctic midge larvae can survive in the extreme cold. Although they lack wings as adults, midges are devoted to mating and feeding on algae and bacteria throughout their very brief existence. And the ability of the Antarctic midge to endure extreme temperature changes, prolonged exposure to ultraviolet light, and other challenging conditions is what fascinates scientists. But when they map the genome, they sequence the genome, they're astounded by its tiny size. The body louse has a very tiny genome. It has 105 million base pairs. The midge has 99 million base pairs. The repetitive, non-protein coding DNA segments known as junk DNA, which were once believed to be useless but are actually crucial for gene regulation, they're actually absent in the genome of the midge. Interestingly, when you put water on an Antarctic midge, they swell up and they jump to life, despite having the appearance of little tiny dried up raisins. They have aquaphorins, or genes that are involved in moving water in and out of all of their cells, and they're abundant in the Antarctic midge. These aquaphorins are the key to the midge's ability to survive in that extremely cold, desolate, and dehydrated condition. These are interesting things with JC.